Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's solve few sums on proportions based on the properties of proportion. Consider the first question. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, then prove that 5A plus 7B is to 5A minus 7B is equal to 5C plus 7D is to 5C minus 7D. There are two methods to solve this particular sum. First, let me show you how to prove this by using the properties. So, it is given that A is to B is equal to C is to D. That means A by B is equal to C by D. Now, let's multiply both the sides by 5 by 7. When you multiply it by 5 by 7, you get this as 5A by 7B is equal to 5C by 7D. Now, by taking the componendo and dividendo method, let's solve this. So, by componendo and dividendo method or that particular property, 5A by 7B is equal to 5C by 7D becomes 5A plus 7B by 5A minus 7B is equal to 5C plus 7D by 5C minus 7D. So, you know the componendo and dividendo method says that when A is to B is equal to C is to D, it is A plus B is to A minus B is equal to C plus D is to C minus D. This is what the componendo and dividendo method. So here, since it is in the fraction form, 5A by 7B is equal to 5C by 7D becomes 5A plus 7B. Here we are adding the first two terms. Here 5A plus 7B by 5A minus 7B is equal to 5C plus 7D by 5C minus 7D. And when we write this in the ratio form, we get this as 5A plus 7B is to 5A minus 7B is equal to 5C plus 7D is to 5C minus 7D. And this is what the expression you need, or this is what we have to prove. Now let's solve this in another method, the alternative method I'll show you. So it's given that A is to B is equal to C is to D, and we need to prove 5A plus 7B is to 5A minus 7B is equal to 5C plus 7D is to 5C minus 7D. We can write this as A by B is equal to C by D, and we know that this will be a constant since these are in proportion. So let this be K. So if A is to B is equal to C is to D, that means A by B is equal to C by D, and that will be a constant. Consider it as K. Now we can split and write this as A by B is equal to K. This implies A is equal to BK, and C by D is equal to K implies C is equal to DK. These are the two results we obtained from this one. Now consider the LHS. Here when you are considering the LHS, 5A plus 7B is to 5A minus 7B is equal to, so let's write this in the fraction form, 5A plus 7B by 5A minus 7B is equal to, substitute A as BK in this particular place. We get this as 5BK plus 7B divided by 5BK minus 7B, and that is equal to, take out common term, that is B outside. This will be 5K plus 7 divided by B into 5K minus 7. Cancel BB. This will be 5K plus 7 by 5K minus 7. Keep this as equation number 1. Now let's consider the RHS. RHS, let's write this in the fraction form itself. 5C plus 7D by 5C minus 7D is equal to, substitute C is equal to DK. This will be 5DK plus 7D divided by 5DK minus 7D. Take out d common from both the numerator as well as the denominator. This will be 5k plus 7 divided by d into 5k plus 7. D get cancels. This will be 5k plus 7 divided by 5k minus 7. This is equation number 2. Now let's consider the equation number 1 as well as 2. 5k plus 7 by 5k minus 1, and this also 5k plus 7 by 5k minus 1. So from 1 and 2 we can say that 5a plus 7b is to 5a minus 7b is equal to 5c plus 7d is to 5c minus 7d. That means LHS equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Look at the next question. If 5x plus 6y by 5u plus 6v is equal to 5x minus 6y by 5u minus 6v, then prove that x is to y is equal to u is to v. So first let us rearrange the terms, like keep all the x and y terms on one side and u and v terms on the other side. So here I can write this as 5x plus 6y by 5x minus 6y is equal to 5u plus 6v by 5u minus 6v. So bringing 5x minus 6y to this denominator, to this side, and bringing 5u plus 6v to the other side on the numerator. So this is how we can rearrange the terms. Then once after rearranging, let's take the comparator and dividender method. By C and D method. So as you know, the comparator and dividender method says that if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. So consider the numerator as A and the denominator as B. Let's apply that particular property. This will be 5x plus 6y, that is A, plus 5x minus 6y. So you are adding the terms on the numerator, and the denominator will be 5x plus 6y minus 5x plus 6y. Since we are subtracting the denominator, the minus sign should be distributed to both the terms, that is to 5x as well as to minus 6y. When you are multiplying with the negative sign to 5x, this will be minus 5x, and the next term will be minus into minus plus 6y. Similarly, the right side, this will be 5u plus 6v plus 5u minus 6v. Here the numerator we are adding the terms, and in the denominator this will be 5u plus 6v minus 5u plus 6v. So this term becomes negative and this will become positive. Now let's simplify this. Minus 6y plus 6y cancels, and you get this on the numerator as 10x divided by, here this will be 12y is equal to, the right side also we can cancel the like terms with opposite signs. This will be 10u divided by 12v. So here on both the sides let's cancel 10, 10, and here 12 and 12. We get this as x by y is equal to u by v, and when we write this in the ratio form, this becomes x is to y is equal to u is to v, and this is what we need to prove. Look at the next question. If x is equal to 6ab by a plus b, find x plus 3a by x minus 3a plus x plus 3b by x minus 3b. So it's given that x is equal to 6ab by a plus b. We need to find x plus 3a. So let's split the 6ab as 3a and with another term. So when you write this as x is equal to 3a into 2b, we can split this 6ab as 3a into 2b divided by a plus b. Now I am going to bring this 3a to the denominator on the LHS. So this will be x by 3a is equal to 2b by a plus b. So you remember, you need to split this 6ab as 3a into 2b. Since I need to find x plus 3a here, I am just writing this 6ab as 3a into 2b. Now apply the comparator and dividender method. By C and D method, This will be x plus 3a by x minus 3a is equal to, I'm just adding 3a to the numerator and subtracting 3a from the numerator. The same way we have to perform the operation on the right side as well. This will be 2b plus a plus b by 2b minus a minus b. So on simplification, we get this as x plus 3a by x minus 3a is equal to 2b plus b is 3b plus a divided by 2b minus b is b minus a. This will be b minus a. So we got x plus 3a by x minus 3a as 3b plus a by b minus a. Keep this as equation number 1. Now let's find what is x plus 3b by x minus 3b. Again consider the same term, x is equal to 6ab by a plus b. Now we need to split this as 3b into another term because we need x plus 3b here. So x is equal to, we can write this as 3b into 2a. So totally when you multiply, you get this as 6ab by a plus b. Now bring 3b to the denominator. X by 3b is equal to 2a by a plus b. Now by C and D method, x plus 3b by x minus 3b is equal to 2a plus b by 2a minus b. And that is equal to 2a plus a is 3a plus b by 2a minus a is a minus b. That is x plus 3b by x minus 3b. So this is equation number 2. Now we have what is x plus 3a by x minus 3 and what is x plus 3b by x minus 3b. Now let's add these two terms, that is x plus 3a by x minus 3a plus x plus 3b by x minus 3b. We get this as, the first term is here, 3b plus a divided by b minus a plus 3a plus b by a minus b. Now the first term is having the denominator b minus a and the second term is a minus b. Let's make both the denominators equal. So we get this as 3b plus a divided by b minus a. I'm taking minus outside, negative sign common. This becomes 3a plus b by b minus a. Since the denominators are equal, we can just perform the subtraction here. This will be b minus a upon b minus a, 3b plus a minus 3a minus b. So on simplifying, this will be 3b minus b is 2b minus 2a minus 3a plus a is 2a divided by b minus a. That gives you 2 into b minus a divided by b minus a. Cancel these two terms. So you get this as 2. The value of x plus 3a by x minus 3a plus x plus 3b by x minus 3b is equal to 2. Now these questions are for you. Solve it and let me know the answer. Given a by b is equal to c by d, prove that 3a plus 5b by 3a minus 5b is equal to 3c plus 5d by 3c minus 5d. And this question can be solved in any one of the method which I have explained in the first question. The second one is, if a 7a plus 8b is to 7a minus 8b is equal to 7c plus 8d is to 7c minus 8d, then prove that a is to b is equal to c is to d. And the last one is, if a is equal to 4 root 6 by root 2 plus root 3, find the value of a plus 2 root 2 by a minus 2 root 2 plus a plus 2 root 3 by a minus 2 root 3. Here you need to split this 4 root 6 according to this 2 root 2 as well as 2 root 3. And then you can substitute and find the value. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with more sums on proportions. Thank you.